Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to set a custom status on Discord so you can let your friends know what you're up to, leave a fun message, or just show your mood. Alright, first things first, open your Discord app. This works on both desktop and mobile, but I will show you on desktop since it's easier to see everything. Look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You will see your profile picture. Click on it. This small menu will pop up with options like online, idle, don't disturb. But next to your profile picture, you will see a plus icon. Just click next to that. Now you can type in whatever you want. It could be something simple like editing videos or busy at work, or even something funny like watching cat videos again. You can also add an emoji if you want. Just click the emoji icon on the left. Next, you can choose how long the status stays. You have got options like don't clear or clear it in 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. Pick what works best for you. Once you're happy with your message and the time, hit save and boom, your custom status is live for all your friends to see. It will show up right next to your name on the servers you're in. And if you ever want to change it, just go back to your profile picture and click on it again. Then update or clear your status in seconds. That's it, quick, simple, and now your Discord status has your personal touch. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you out and subscribe for more fast tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. _audio